today we're going to make delicious and tasty mini samosas. They look very cute and adorable and very tasty to eat. So let's begin with the ingredients. The ingredients for the dough is 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of ghee, half a teaspoon of salt, and lukewarm water required. Adding your salt to your flour. Mix that in, and then rub in your ghee with your flour. Then pour in your water gradually, not all of it at once, and combine into a dough. The dough should be a little bit hard, and you're going to knead it and make it smooth. Then rest your dough for 15 minutes. The ingredients for the filling is 3 boiled potatoes, chopped in half, 1 cup of peas, chopped green chilies to taste, crushed dried red chilies to taste, a 1/4 cup of coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin or zira powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala. If you want to know how to make homemade garam masala, check the link below. 1 teaspoon of dried mango powder, or you may call it amchor powder, and finally salt to taste. Now to make the filling, you're basically going to mix all your ingredients together in a bowl. After 15 minutes, put your dough onto a board and sprinkle some flour so it doesn't stick, and you're going to roll it out. So once you have rolled it out, get out like a small cookie cutter or like a small cup, and then cut out circles. Then dab a little bit of water around the edges, and then fold in 2 of the edges like this. And then pick it up and you should have a gap. And in that gap you're going to fill it with your filling. And then fold the top and seal closed. Make sure it's sealed properly so the filling doesn't come out. And then we're going to do the rest exactly like this. So now we're going to fry our mini samosas. So we're heating up piping hot oil and turned it on a low flame, and now we're going to place our mini samosas and fry them until they're nice and crispy and golden brown. Once you place them, turn up the flame to a medium flame and you're going to fry. Make sure you move them around so they don't burn and fry evenly. Once golden brown, drain out the oil and place on some kitchen towels so more oil drains out. So here we have our mini samosas. It's very delicious and you can enjoy with any sauce. We just have tamarind sauce. If you want to know how to make this sauce, it's in the link in the description. So be inspired, try new things and conquer amazing skills, and like and subscribe and comment down below and check out our other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.